Hi friends, welcome to Data Info. In this video, we will talk about real-time case number 12. So this is daily life problem. So the question is, this is our question, and we have two source table, lift table and passenger table. By using these two tables, we need to generate this output, this result set. So the question is, the task is to allocate passengers to the lift without exceeding the lift capacity. Each lift has a specific capacity and each passenger has a specific weight. The passenger from each lift should be listed in ascending order of their weight, and the weight of the passenger are unique within the each lift. So basically the problem is, the task is to allocate passengers to the lift without exceeding the lift capacity. Each lift is having specific weight, right? So in our general case also, each lift is having some specific weight. So whoever using that lift, those passenger weight should not exceed the lift capacity. So if it is exceed, someone need to step out of from that lift, right? So same case. So whoever is traveling, those passengers details we are grouping here. In lift 1 who is traveling, in lift 2 who is traveling, lift 3 who is traveling. So this is our passenger details. Then why I marked cross, or why I marked two records into cross means, for example, in lift 1 supposed to be 4 passengers to be traveled, but if I sum these 4 passengers weight, it is 335. 335 means it is exceeding the capacity of first lift. First lift capacity is 300 only, but 4 passengers summed weight is 335, and someone need to step out, right? And here, who need to step out means, based on the weight, people need to step out. The least, we need to give the priority to the least weighted people, and LMI is having more weight. So due to that reason, she need to step out from the lift. And if I go to second lift data, and the capacity of the lift is 350 and 4 passengers are traveling, and the capacity is the 350 and the total weight is 314. So this is within the range only, so no need to worry. If I go to third data set, means third lift data, the total capacity of the lift is 200 and the total 4 passengers are traveling, and the total weight of those 4 passengers is 300, and someone need to step out. That is more weighted people need to step out. That is normal. So 3 people are traveling, and those 3 people details we need to provide in the final result set. So this is the final data. So for this, we need to write a query, and we are having two tables. Let me go to those two tables. And first of all, we need to join these two data sets. So based on the common column, I will pick only the required columns. I need ID and capacity, capacity in kg column. Then I need passenger name also. I need name. I need, then weight in kg column also I need. So these columns from lifts, I will use aliasing as A, then join with passenger table with aliasing B on A dot ID equals to B dot lift ID. So let me run this query. So we got the data. And next, what I need to do is, I need to generate the cumulative sum. Why I need to generate the cumulative sum means, if I go to, if I why I need to why I need to cumulative sum means, I need to know what is the weight of those passengers, what is the total weight of the passengers. So I need to generate the cumulative sum lift by lift, lift by lift. This lift value should be different from this particular lift value. So cumulative sum is nothing but a running total based on this column. So 65 when I'm running for this particular record. If I run for second record, the running total till here is 149. When first person using lift, the total weight is 65. When the second person came, the total weight is 149. When third person came into that lift, the total weight of the passenger is 236. When fourth person came into that lift, the total weight is 330. The total weight of the passenger is 335. Then again from lift to, it will start from fresh, because we are grouping, we are generating this running total based on lift only, because we need to generate the data set. At end of the day, we need to generate the data set by lift, right? So due to that reason, we are doing running total based on the lift. So this is nothing but a cumulative sum or running total. So we need to generate this running total. Why we need to generate this total means you will see later. So let me run the query for this. So after wait, sum of weight column, but here we need to use window function, partition by which column? ID column, lift ID column, ID, and order by, we need to use couple of columns. It is very important because we need to give priority to the least weighted people, right? So due to that reason, I want to see least weighted people at the top and more weighted people at last. And by default, it is ascending order. So I'm going with ascending order. So 65, this is the running total. Running total. This is my running total. We got the running total. Okay. Now what I need to do is, by using this column, I need to compare with my original data set. Let me copy with, let me remove this extra record. Copy this, copy with header. Now, why? Now what I will do is, I will compare this column with this column. So why we need to compare is, for example, whenever this value is greater than this value, then I will exclude that record. Whenever you will see running total is greater than our lift capacity, then I will exclude that particular record. I will exclude this particular record because this value is greater than my lift capacity. Then I will exclude this record. In data set 2, there is no greater value, so we are good. If I go to third data set, this value is greater than this value, so I will exclude this particular record. Then we will get to the required data set, right? And our target also, we need to exclude Yellamma and Ramulu records. So how I will exclude mean, based on this logic, based on the running total, when we compare this value with our capacity value, then you won't see this particular record. For that, I will generate one check column. So what I will do is I will write one check condition here. Capacity of kg should be, then if this value is greater than, then that is good record. Then I will populate 1, else I will populate 0. This is my check column only. End. End. Column. Let me run this query. Now, if you see here, I just our old logic only, but I am comparing this value with our summation value. Summation value means which you see in earlier total weight column. So just I'm comparing column 2 with total weight. This column with this column. So if this value is greater than this value, then I'm populating 0. Now what I will do is, just I will use CTE here to filter out the data set. Just I need only the right data. So with CTE, this is my data. So here what you will do is select start from CTE, where check column should be equals to 1. Check column equals to 1. When I run this record, you will see only the required data set. Now I need to just concatenate. So as per the result set, I need lift ID. Just I need lift. What is the column ID? So aliasing as lift ID. Then we need to generate that concatenated value, right? That is nothing but a passenger name. So for that, we have one function that is called a string aggregator. Basically, it will aggregate based on specific function. Sorry, not the function. This is the string function. So basically, it will aggregate based on the separator which we provide. So I need to guide SQL Server here. Which column you want to concatenate? Here I want to concatenate all the passengers' names with comma, with comma, and a grouping of what as passengers. Will provide column name passengers. Then grouping of which column? Group by, so grouping of lift ID. This concatenation should be done on lift ID, right? Lift ID is nothing but ID column. So let me run one more time. Now you will see the required data. So basically, this is the main logic. So how we are calculating this running total, and how we are comparing our lift value, lift capacity value with our summation value. Then after that, you can use this string function to concatenate specific group data. Here, the group data is based on lift ID. We need to provide the grouping column. Then we need to provide the concatenation. Whatever the column, whatever the symbol you are using here, based on that, it will group. So if I use pipe symbol for each and every passenger will be separated with pipe symbol. If you see here, Rajnikant is one passenger, then pipe came, then Vidya. So basically, the string aggregator will group the data based on grouping ID column, grouping column, and you need to separate the delimiter here. Just you need to paste the delimiter. After one value, with the second value, this delimiter will come. So that is the query. This is the query. So let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.